The 2013 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with the powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, 4-wheel ABS, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless start, Bluetooth, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.